Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the GALAX RTX 2060 Super EX. Taking a look at the GALAX RTX 2060 Super EX 8GB graphics card, straight out of the box, you'll be getting the paperwork, 2 PCIe power cables, and the graphics card, and that's it. So now, let's take a look at the design. The entire unit is basically black, with the backplate having some diagonal white lines for aesthetic purposes. The side front of the GPU, where it can be seen after mounting it, are the words "What's your game?" and GeForce RTX wording on the GPU. Where the fans are, the design has edges and grooves which serve as a nice aesthetic look. Also, especially if you're like me and you like to mount your GPU vertically, it won't look plain when you do that. The fans are made out of a translucent material because they are RGB, so you can adjust the color to fit your setup. And since we're on the fans, let's talk a bit about the cooling on this. Both of the fans are 100mm, and compared to the 10 series twin fans, these have 70.1 CFM, which is basically the measurement of the velocity which air flows in and out of a space. So 70.1 CFM for the 20 series EX twin fans, while the 10 series only had 36.9 CFM. From this, it should mean that the cooling on this is actually very good and should keep your GPU at a decent temperature when you're gaming or doing work. For ports, there is a single HDMI 2.0B port and 2 DisplayPort 1.4s. The GALAX RTX 2060 Super EX measures in at 285mm by 127mm by 52mm. Moving on to specs, this has 2176 CUDA cores, memory speed of 14Gbps, standard memory configuration of 8GB, 256-bit GDDR6 memory interface width, and 448GB per second of memory bandwidth. Performance-wise, straight out of the box, this is overclocked at 1695MHz, so it is 45MHz higher than the normal, and with the GALAX software, the Extreme Tuner Plus, you can actually up it to 1710MHz to squeeze out as much as you can from this GPU. And obviously, this is compatible with everything NVIDIA, from the GeForce Experience, Ansel, G-Sync compatible, Highlights, GPU Boost, and all the game-ready drivers with ray tracing and VR-ready support. Okay, that's it for the overview and out of the box for the GALAX RTX 2060 Super EX. I'm literally still compiling parts to build a PC, but do look forward to the next PC build when it does come out. Remember, like and subscribe for more tech and gaming content, hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!